batamanyeti timu yegono togote abuna Shabana Football Club ilo ya rute Premier League ekaruo pi not even the Provincial League
right
niche na renga sponsor ya Shabana sponsor to wasa Provincial League the Regional League paka to wasa National League paka buno mona ya chitokuirana
right
so jetini mogeni asebusi ara ko
right. Asante sana mheshimiwa na boigo karibu sana ekero toko ase siasa ekero toko dive in straight go ase siasa mheshimiwa you've declared ngankuri yore kero kyo seneta bwe county ya Kisii anda kengie kikia gusugumire okemerere kero ge kamate ekyo bo seneta bwe county ya Kisii
Ruth no wrong ake ingana kumrama te ya
kumrama te yani is to want ase ke Kisii
and then I correct you again
okay okay
these are people
okay
now would work how
okay
last time na would
right
lakini uno tena ni constituency bere na arabu ndebo na ara korera magane town ya gwetera Shabana n'abantu boka babere bagote utare goswa asikuru ya senate twarori kwarako korera magendro
right
kwaro gocho gori kero ya county ya magane ku na tegerera magana ayo na kore reflection right and the good thing is if we get back at the moment the current senator Richard Mumwima governor
right
uyo betero kabere in the last election ngo magara na ebirenga yakubo neki out so baranga enchira abantu bago push politike get back at the moment it's okay ekere na kore research ane kare bintu binge nda kore as a senator that can bring change that I see that maybe now really good but if I'm there the more I can do
right
people
Mheshimiwa ekero kurigirerie county ya Kisii boniga what are the top challenges standete county ya Kisii echi anda ko gotebanga ye anda ko iso so ase kirugi kiga maybe you can address them
I'm not a visitor
right right
lakini erinero yani infrastructure wano yengo tebanga para and to improve more Kisii County nabagusi we are known for business
right
micro business agriculture ona kerengo chesema agriculture na bokoranga there's so much that can be done in the mwananchi atware chibesa chae mubuko
right
iro kabuna bono bole mubwe chae na mono bole mubweka
right so you are confirming to the people nga oise kwa gulibageri go so asekirugo you will address the challenges sigendete kuba face ose county agendete ku face
that one I can assure the voters of Kisii County
right mheshimiwa
address those challenges very well.
Okay we've had leaders previously obomuraya gocha okwano tebanga ngochande mbakolere ABCD ngochande tokole ABCD lakini kwanyoranga baraya bekero basoira sebirugo kwanyoranga most of them was a good percentage kwanyoranga chi promise chibakoru most of them kwanyoranga mbali gochikirania now tell me ngikiragere omuntu obwe county ya Kisii akwigena kweli ekero akwekero geke gusa kweli bageriga kobo mo senator bwe county ya Kisii asenge njunga babere bagotebiwa abarai babere bagukwana batekero banyoreri baga most they don't deliver
Perfect. Very good question. The problem
right
na voters wake eba gotegerera magana bari kurigireria oyo ototebina chato korereke wikira bona iga inki atemire korera no mugusi gose Kisii County
okay
me I've been an advocate of change kureni maega ake
okay
ekero Cisco abwate chikura cha 2007.
Okay.
Abata bangi were not believing in Raila.
Mhm.
I'm the one who donated the hammer to Raila.
Okay.
In the correct campaign because now I think Raila is also na bakore change. Na koreta mangana mupira Shabana. China rekubuli kulenga ki. But I knew ngaki used to have talent here in Kisii. So what about Henry Motego, Henry Nyandoro, Kamanentus Kurene team we have other Henry Nyandoro, but I don't work on home.
Okay.
So and I've been involved in so many youth projects, churches. Now the problem about the Vago Tevigu, but Koranga, Amakoro Montoyu, Chimagega in Kia Colide, Ayaga to Tevigu.
Okay.
It's a point, it's going to top Kiake. No, Keroko Jora, Ura, Atitoko Yoma, Alapona Magana Mang. Again, was not about putting a key.
Ayaro.
Having an attack with Gadi. But I want to but I want a Gadi. I'm sorry, Lakini, I'm just trying to liken it to politics.
Okay. Thank you. Asante sana mheshimiwa andake nabo I have no mheshimiwa andake anyway so I'll read that slide. All right. Mheshimiwa Nkiama Kiokoboli chikurakuro.
Very interesting. Very interesting. And kwa bulisi. Inchena William Ruto.
Okay. Right.
You go on a manifesto. You bottom up there in Russia. And then you say, and they got talking about ODM. Actually, I was among the founder members.
Right.
So, so I think broad-based for me is the way because they are in the manifesto. I was in the manifesto.
Right, asante sana. Do you believe in a broad-based? Ne ngokonyero mwananchi anene aso address challenges chinyinge chiribagendete wetera tali as a county but as a Kenya
as a whole. Let me tell you, the most unfortunate president
why do you call him unfortunate? Okay.
And very quite knowledge what he has done.
Okay.
I like history. As a student of Raila, I love history. Kibaki, itu amburuaneti sana.
Okay.
Tuna babu James Orengo. Paka katoro KCC atokea chakiri witu. Lakini lero Orengo akotebanga the best president we ever had was Kibaki. A time will reach about the best president we ever had was, to be honest, in this short time, I can say. I do business in Nairobi, around the Talanta Stadium. There are many stadiums coming up. About summit, will encourage you. Even today, being a but there is that energy. Actually, was in MBO that MBO, or na correct kende ba tombali korora.
Right.
However, I also blame about our corona barabu. They should be giving out this information regularly through media, mainstream media, social media. In Dabanto, Wamanye, guys, will
okay.
Fine, Tara Kerania. Akini, in Chomanyana, Chile, I've been treated Nasha.
So it works.
Shower.
Right, that's according to you. But rende tuarulira bangi bagotebanga it's not working.
Truth. Shower.
Right.
Shower. Apart from me, I had a patient who passed away with my father. I saw shower work. But I can't work. Until that day, you'll find yourself in hospital.
Right. Asante sana mheshimiwa asenge nchonga nigo ogendete gotwarira sobwime nabo iga asante nayo mwanchu muligirire nabo igo mwanchu mutegelia asenge nchonga yuada ekero togendete gusangeyemo aseyemo no mheshimiwa Don Bosco Gichana uyobwate eganga yokolige ekero kyo seneta imeye county ya Kisii ekero togendete igo nabo nayo kogenda gusangana into eyemo aseyemo wetera se mitanda yetu ya Facebook nabo igo wetera aso gutulikira ujumbe nyinge guchaga iga ase studio mheshimiwa nkoira ni mage gake ngwa kwanira igoro ya challenges ya county ya Kisii wetera anda ke tote boniga omugusi omuntu we county ya Kisii okwegendere okoereria bagako mu senator we county ya Kisii. What are your top 3 challenges which you address as your first days in office?
In my first 100 days is to bring transparency as such as achievement from the national government.
Right.
Yani ya oroki ngachiba ya secha to bituchinga na ngakichia tumikire 1 2 by publishing even through my website, whichever way.
Okay.
Transparency na lumo wananchi akumanyanga kebesa ya tu. On the side of healthcare, healthcare is evolved.
Okay.
But challenges, but working with the governor who will be there at that time, and I believe it will be Paul Simbarati.
Okay.
I'll try naketi area cheme chano kora to kirake yo. Other hospitals. To make sure nga amariogo na roro. We have workers barororo abande na bakorete problem. Some of them to me integrity, what integrity issues. That's why sometimes to go to a problem ya mariogo as
right
is to find out who are those, move them and bring people.
Speaking of the national government funding, Mheshimiwa lero iresa kutoka nga the government ya butoire the funding to counties. How would you defend the interest yomugusi osiyo muntu we county ya Kisii?
That's a question that I've not well understood, but let me answer and I understand.
Okay.
Natebanga healthcare or health is involved.
Okay.
And our work as Senate no go defend information.
Right.
So serikali te what powers bigger than each our 2020 constitution.
Okay.
Kobutora funding that is going to the counties.
Right.
Kangege to what abanga key is there enough funding ekogenda to the counties. Akinda akore as a senator, I need to bring a bill to increase allocation that goes to the counties.
Right.
I'll bring a bill also a courieringa nga kichiba sichiba to distributed. Kisii County is heavily populated. In terms of population, yani chiba sichenda no in terms of population. Na lichera isana. We have counties like in northeastern.
Right.
They are not heavily populated, but we receive almost the same amount of money. I will not go challenges. So I'll bring a bill that one man, one shilling.
Right. Mheshimiwa, mostly tuarorirenga transparency na accountability na corruption. Mostly na chichigendete guchanda chi county chinyingi. And on the other hand, egasi yomo senator no gukora oversight. Ayebuno mo senator, for example, we county ya Kisii isi kutoka kwa iruli bagakobo mo senator. How would you go about it? Egere ko ene kinga at least obokurumi no boene no bwasioku mbiri wose obokurumi mbiri kuchikwane kiwa kurendo boene no bwasioku mbo chikwane kiwa ase county ya Kisii anene kurwa ase chibasi kurwa ase national government.
Entokero most senators inkorra they get it wrong.
Right.
They think you as a senator your work is to fight your governor.
Okay.
There is another one kwa nyoranga moto very senator nati to governor eraro changanesi. No ko make sure nga Kisii County chiba serenge in this financial year as a senator echinga naiga fine check let's say to make 15 billion.
Okay.
We published working together with the governor to make sure every shilling is accounted for, and I'll have my own publication through my website. And if I find something is not right, I have all the rights to question the governor. So that in that way, I have a right as a senator to hold the governor to be accountable on that.
Right.
Secondly, like in Kisii County, Simba is trying here and there in terms of corruption lakini governor ta okora kire into erebueka
Right.
and the moment I think corruption always fights back through my oversight team negas yane ko make sure nga oversight team yane ya health ya rigere ga magana health ya infrastructure bari magana chipara school kiregento if there's anything wrong I'll call him to parliament, to Senate,
right,
to answer those allegations. And there's a problem, then now we can lead to impeachment.
Okay. Right. Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa. Speaking of working together na Omo Governor and other leaders, tutebe kwa biro mo senator kwa county ya Kisii. How would you ensure nga there is a proper relationship? Ilikuwa na kinga ngo work more closely, was hand in hand, tutebe na ba MCA, tutebe no Omo Governor, tutebe na other members of parliament. Ilikuwa na kinga omonto yo wakirete kura akakobeke kirogo nkwenyorera magendro.
A problem is toko joram na bona iga asobra iga vendrete and it's unfortunate siasa abone achakire mapema.
Okay.
Aboko nyora even the MPs themselves they are divided. Kwanyora MCAs na baru they are divided along political lines. So even if something bad happens, nobody points a finger.
Right.
In terms of oversight, Kisii County belongs to everybody.
Sure.
It does not belong to a given crop of leaders. So from the MCA to an elected member of parliament, to the senator, to the governor, we are all accountable nga key resources che county chigotumika.
Right.
And that can only be done if the elected leaders work as a team. Regardless of governor, no way party key. People should work, the elected leaders should work together to make sure service has been delivered to mwananchi. Yes.
Right. Asante sana. Speaking of differences, into political differences.
Yes.
How would you tackle them? How will you handle them? Ilikuwa na kinga in as much as ora tuale a political difference no muraigete. Lakini the main goal omontanyo ramagendro. For example, tutebe sai you having a political difference with, for example, tutebe governor. How would you work with this governor? Ilikuwa na kinga omontoyo nkwenyorera ramagendro na your political differences that will affect your delivery which is so mwananchi.
What I can say, in the past,
right,
I've seen Gusii leaders working together.
Okay.
Championing for a cause as a team. We started multi-party politics in 1992. But from 1992, I've seen leaders working together regardless of the party.
Right.
So that calls for political maturity.
Okay.
But the good thing is, most of these leaders, they are more or less of my age. Is to bring them to dialogue. That some issues need our intervention as one people.
Okay.
So from intervening, we can retreat back to our different political parties. If it comes to a national agenda, we can go to our different political parties. But the agenda, agenda Kisii County, we have to work as a team.
Right.
It's just calling for political maturity.
Alright, Mheshimiwa anda kenyu mantara agenda somo nchumo ligiliko somo tegereri. What education sector in Kisii County. If omogusio kuamini ryoko ile libaga kwa bomo senator, how would you ensure nga education sector nko very strengthened imeye county ya Kisii? Na maybe challenges tiriyo wetera, how would you curb them?
What I can say, education is also core to our government as Kenya,
right,
to our county as Kisii. Without education, to make sure they have a bright future.
Right.
It does not matter mwana no yongo, abana na abaito to NCP. Myself, when I did my KCP, I scored 541 out of 600. When I went to high school, I scored a B+. So, what we need to do, correct education yaitu. You know, sometimes people just keep calling for funding.
Okay.
But it should start from the parent themselves. Emanya gocha si board of management yes school. Emanya gocha sa abalimu. Emanya gocha sa elected leaders, and finally the government.
Right.
Challenges, the word challenges yes school chetu chagusi in terms of performance. Sometimes there's interference just school kurwasaba na siasa. Sometimes they prefer given principle, they don't want this principle. We should give them support in terms of running the school. We should give support to our board members. But however, if we know some teachers, I'm sorry to say, some teachers really let us down.
Okay.
And we know where the problems lie. Some of them comes to laziness, alcohol, and all that. If there is that, they should be held to accountable. Secondly, apart from the teachers, the parents themselves, they should start. Education starts from home.
Okay.
Then it goes to the teacher. But sometimes us as parents, and that's why we normally have these issues. Why? Parents and everybody too busy.
Right.
These are things we should work together. And the national government, to be honest, so our schools are ill-equipped.
Okay.
Laboratories, they're ill-equipped. One of what now, they just rely on cramming, but not on practical skills. Into Unabarai, we should push the national government to keep our schools and capitation, check it on time. Check it on time. In the quite easy time, the board of management and the principal to run the school.
Right.
So it's a bit broader in terms of how to improve our education system. It starts from the parent itself.
Right, asante sana mheshimiwa na boigo asante naye umwanchumu ligiriria ekero ogendre tugusangana into AMO aseyemo ekero ntaite gwetera chi SMS ange iberiga isatu kurugalia sensemo ye mitandao nyuma ntarachaka kubwata esimi yago ayumwanchua omuligiriria ole sikogalia oyo nigo agontebinga karongoligeria galia ase chinsemo chiri cha WhatsApp agontebinga oyo niga kurukunga Andrew Matunda kurwa chinsemo chiri cha Nyamira Town agotebanga nwale ime ya engambo asante sana kulende oyo niga kurwa ase county ya Nyamira naboigo oyo niga kurukunga Juliet Manamo agontebinga watching live kurwa chinsemo chiri cha Nyangoso agotebanga yuko ndani agotebanga Don Bosco mbele pamoja. Alright, asante sana. Ebyo ne birengereri byaye oyiniga kurukunga Honorable Elijah agotebanga watching live kuruchinsemo chiri cha Kenya agotebanga you have my support mheshimiwa asante sana asengenchonga ebyo ne birengereri byago naye ogendete gututumira cyujumbe wetira ase SMS oyagotebanga alugetembe. I'm watching live kurwa chinsemo chiria chia Mugunga asante sana uniga kurukwanga Unyancha agotebanga yuko ndani agotebanga mheshimiwa count me in, you have my vote asante sana asengenchonga na ino no mulegabo na nigo mugende tukutuba 07111117 nero enamba yetu yesimu gochagaiga ase studio abigo 0702 666669 nero enamba yetu yendi yesimu gochagaiga ase studio ayo olesikogalia obwatali boli gocha so mheshimiwa gose ayo olesikogalia oganetie ogokwanira kendi yonsi gocha aso mheshimiwa elikwana kinga omheshimiwa ngokwana molenere eyemo aseyemo nabigo kwanekia liboli lilyo bwate omheshimiwa ngochale gokweranelya nabo gwakesimu gochagaiga ase studio elikwana kinga ngosanga tole no mheshimiwa eyemo ase eyemo kolende omheshimiwa inyuma ntarachi kubwata esimi ase studio ntokwanira iguru ya health sector ngwatebanga health sector ngochori ko improve imeye county ya Kisii. Then someone is asking I whatever ngochori ko improve health sector nke koro cheketara kolekana ikiura chigukorekana kone kinga health sector yiga ngochire ku improve as county ya Kisii.
Tunate baga our employees sechinyagitari cheitu.
Right.
And the problem which akere kurwa. Nate abakonyora nga chinyagitari nchiro amariyo gatayo. Abarore baika nyagitari murigereria akini mariyo gatayo.
Right.
Enda se pharmacy kugora. Nate abanga teringa mariyo gatayo. Okonyora ende corruption ere involved in it. Some of our employees to Buate, Nabokojoranga, they've diverted the medicine that was sent to different hospitals for their own self-gain.
All right.
So, number one thing is to work hand in hand with the governor. Secondly, Senate, now what the oversight team ya.
Right.
Nero na bayo investigation chiabo kubanyanga mbarabiaba babo diverta marioga accountable
right.
Yeah.
Right, asante sana. Ndochenga libolindiregaiga to the acting senator Honorable Don Bosco following the court's decision that nullified the disbursement of county bursary funds. Umanya Koboliga, what measures will you champion to ensure that the needy students in Kisii County continue to access support for their education? Additionally, how will you promote effective legislation and oversight to enhance access to quality education and improve educational standards across Kisii County? Aina maswali abere kurwase oya kurukunga Minda Trevor ayo na mabuli ye abere aya nande nara ukuboliga. Right, from Mama Biria watching live, asante sana. Karibu sana Senator, uyu nigakurukunga Oyaro Albert, asante sana. Dennis agotebanga awesome, congratulations mweshimiwa. Alright, asante sana. Matunda Handru agoteba watching live Koronya Mira Town Salams Club. Alright, asante sana. Asante pamoja uyu nigakurukunga Migiro Sokoro agotebanga yuko ndani. Kolende intarachikwira na sensemo yechime mweshimiwa. Ntagetoreraniria Minda uyu okubolinga measures kiyo guchikubeka ensemo elikwene kinga aboro kikwali bakurwase chinka kitali kwenyara gusitibwa to konyora wense na barabungo chikonyora bari chisemi muna muntu ndi bwensi considering the fact that nge court njabetege kunalify disbursement of funds and bursary funds which I say
that's a very interesting question. The court nullified siweze chiara goto. But working together with the governor is very important. It's not about fighting each other all the time.
Right.
Own revenue collection. Kitora akore tukini own revenue collection. And the county nere yatwara chibesa chabo so that we don't have to depend on the national government as sabanaba from needy families. Education is a right to any Kenyan. But if we increase the own revenue collection, a county there's enough money to abanaba from genuine and needy cases, a county yaba kanira chwesa school fees, sorry. Yes.
All right. How would you promote effective legislation and oversight to enhance access to quality education and improve educational standards across Kisii County?
You know, the work of a senator is a bit limited.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bit limited, no senator. And I keep repeating, I always repeat. As leaders, they need to come together. It's not about fighting.
Right.
To find solution to some of these problems that we have. Your education.
Okay.
And they're a bit, those two questions are a bit married. They're about the twins. Collection. And how do we do that? Now what area? Something like coffee.
Right.
Kisii, we have good soil for Arabica coffee. A farmer is paid about 150 shillings a kilo.
Right.
at the market, it sells about $8. Farmers wait how much they can even make from coffee. Now, you talk about seedlings, coffee farming.
Right.
In 3 years, you've started collecting your money. To Chiro in Tune County, whereby instead of a farmer getting 150, a farmer can get 500 shillings per kilo. So we have to look for other ways. I remember when I got to avocado factory. That's not a good initiative. So we have to find a way of collecting money from other sources. And the depend on national government. From coffee, I know we can make this much amount of money. To allocate as a school cheto, improving the standards of education, paying for school fees for the needy students. So we have to come think outside the box.
Right.
Yeah.
Nara gonte binga salimia mheshimiwa kule ndetante betini ngona ndetante betinga yi
amukwani
no nyeto mo no all right ayakra kunganere Frederick agotebanga yukundani salimia mheshimiwa right asante sana from Kiamogere Victor Omobunga agotebanga mheshimiwa otemire mono count my vote all right asante sana Victor kurwanyari bali oyakra kunga Machogu Evans agotebanga Mheshimiwa nigo otemire mono otebirenga count my vote all right asante sana Veronica Kurunyatieko akuboliga Borili mheshimiwa ninki akolire ime ye county ya Kisii ekera akoligi chikura eliko enekinga all right I think she's asking inga boniga yabuna obwate ganga yokolige kiruke bosaneta se county ya Kisii mbintu kibiri kwa bereko gukora usikwa bereko gukorera umuntu be county ya Kisii at large.
Na ndio na maiga tunataka ku interview.
Right.
Chinaona akindize town ye. Later I went to study in America. When I came back kanjaranga Shabana yaku. Wone ngano matenga kishabana ngo toreta abo buno mugusi.
Yeah.
Na batebinga Shabana koje yakule. Neje na achaita koje sponsor. Nkenyere to provincial league, egatira to nationwide league. Paka wone ngone Premier League. I even brought the current president, Ekerare MP of Egaria Eldoret, to gache stadium wa kuchangera Shabana. To kanyairani. So track record in what the youth groups. Myself, I've done so much for the youth groups for the last, I think, 15 to 20 years. So the track record is there.
Right.
Na endo kwenye mpunto kawate dausi na boko sakura sawa Google, kwara beke rieta kwara aligeringa ki, pintu kina ara korere, umugusi.
Right. Sante sana 0716111177 nero inamba yetu yesimu gochagaiga ase studio 0702666669 nero inamba yetu yendi yesimu gochagaiga ase studio eyemo ase yemo ekeroto gusanga no mheshimiwa
mwana no yo kobo ngende kirogo
karibu sana
mwapenyo mito yo tiangu dala kobo ngene kunere kia batu koko tabaka miteni.
Yes.
Ono mwa mito yo. Atentu to kama yani masene tani ga kubatina. Mna watu atena iza kwende machine ye mechi ya ko kwetu ga ida kwende to ko ngane tabo ya bede tu nevete.
Right.
Aya abantu abata bakabana benabo bankobanga konyora bale kiromba nyorete.
Right.
Tabubende na tumenya tinga kabo mosene tabo abo kubuate. Yo unaibo nabo choka no yo kubuate maji.
Right.
I know that to yo koboye. Ora kiteni taba ora ronga. Amasini ayeme cha nigo ngane ka ya tena enye certificate. Certificate mo siere mesuko kangune masini yake. Kami to akaba antaba na Kenya. So no tiagwa ti ngai to le mabuna chene tere mafunde ti alo ti abato koro. Tabo taga yo twende ka setabaka. Za ta ko na tabaka inde nyaro tabaka inde ga akitaro na ebile mafunde ko kweki age na ti ya na koro ndinde la inde ti sa tiago to bimbo ti ti tabona kusoma chuo kwani yani yeye kwenda na wasikia bose chiko na msema chiko tu
asante
lakini kama tolera mangana
Right, asante sana ayo ngokoiraniriale Getembe TV, Getembe Radio. Karibu sana. Wairebia karibu.
Yo Bernard Mukaya Jodi.
Ya wake si Mikuru Bernard.
Mkuru wake Kurumusochu.
Right, karibu sana.
Ege ndonjenda bongeso mweshimi wine gure mbia okwana na savana nero nkerta kanyimu kiguru. Na baka kote wanande kende kuch muino ikiagadra agendre tako kora vijana litura tiko mwanya wane kura tu arobore muna na tiko to konya kuchigosi muna akwane na savana nero nyimu kiguru.
Right.
Yeye nilisona kumwoli.
Right, asante sana. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio.
Tembe.
Karibu sana.
Ya mwana kina ala ko ta yemo shini ko india mwana.
Ditangani ya ningonga yo wake si Mikuru.
Ke na ngotenye bunda kurwa Nyamira.
All right.
Okwani lenga aba ileka wa bakulisi 150. Ngaji ngakutoli kejo, maito okwani ndio okumya.
Ngakiki yao ichania.
Yani ngaki yako
chinke ose chinyinge. Chinke.
Kwa jira tiba somo eto alira singi. Sagini. Eite. Monere ngaji kama nini nyamo cha msingi ngaji aga kiata konte vinire ka urusi ngirangiro.
All right.
Nainde mainaru muntu naru kushia kurire tibikawo kiro nyamo cha msingi maina bwanya sai.
Right.
Akwa nubu maene nainde akwa nubu maribwanya sai.
Asante sana. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio. Getembe FM, Getembe TV, karibu sana. Okoranga eyo nigo yabeire kego charara kigima. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio.
Aro Getembe.
Karibu sana.
Neyo murakera kujirikiro.
Karibu sana anki abantu bachirikiro.
Muyatole na wanje no murimire nya bono kagu njirivese jimwe mo de kamorani.
Right.
Ntore marede. Munabone jaro jiringi zano ikomi yani mo oburai bato de wera kimi domia.
Right.
Munabono bone mabole nya durubo. No pokongo no onde bolemi.
Right.
Evitina biwa bage gawe ya umururojo vitina bako na busa.
Asante sana.
Hakuteli wani vitu duanga indi lakini kistayo.
Right, asante.
Ndabono uwe wao ni uwe ya kama to na ruspeke kai. Ado tayo rejiyo babu atoro ndia mono ne yumura gara kuri.
Right. Semi yo mwelio kigima Getembe TV, Getembe Radio.
Getembe lo.
Karibu sana.
Asante sana njengo kunga kwa Samuel William Mwayu wa Masaba.
Right.
Na kuhulu mwesu ne ka unde nga karakende na shiri ya kwati.
Network yago ntoko igwetibya.
Na kina kuba.
Okoranga network yago nigo eko guchanda kigima. Right. Okoranga oyo network ya enigo ekali kumwanga. Korende talimangana nande nkoigurira nde elaini ye chisimi eriko nekinga ngobwatande chisimi chawo. Mheshimiwa, ekira to guchakira omuntu naroboliana naki nga plan kyobwate iguru yabalema generally.
Oyo akakuruta baka.
Yes, enkunira.
Kiage. They are very disabled.
Yes.
As a government.
Yes.
Nima etenga. There are programs for disabled, but when the wheelchair, and they're supposed to get some funding through the government. It looking at a problem but it looks like it's a nationwide problem.
Yes.
And that's why we have leaders.
Right.
Ningo tare chikura chitarakwa iwa maganago nanche manifesto yane. As you remember, when I'm not an elected senator, I'm just an acting senator kiabono the current senator uchire or governor. Those are the views that we need to collect as leaders unanche na karabono kora se manifesto yane na wanonko articulate such kind of issues and what I'm going to do once I'm in parliament. Yes.
Right, asante. Nande naro oboli goro ya balimi. Okoranga balimi mostly na bobwate chi concern.
Na igure. Batebenga na ngai nereri ngai 150 chiwakanwa bakanwa 80 around 70 a topic go deal coffee
right
kinenge tanga understand it uya sana not in terms nga inkyo muremi yakonyora but the international market irenga ase ko tukwa na auction okonyora bono the top quality coffee is about $8 ekedo waka $8 kwa joranga eineribu umuntu akogura kwende kilo yebo bona iga na otogotaba nga no chi society cheito na corruption ekorakana nerororo
right
ngaki ase coffee exchange ya Nairobi barakaneribu umuntu mwenye gwakanu 80 now nakitoko boringa where are our leaders a topic na raising a key how we can raise more money
right
erindo mukulima naira tu arechibesa mubuko na manya gotabanga bawakanu 150 I'm sorry nga na I even put so much money but as a county we need to see how to empower these coffee farmers na abande babe encouraged by seedlings bachake coffee farming na ende tubanya kubaligeri echiro bone garota ga 150 echi nyinge mia itotinga bone tubatu kuligie chiro nonye ekiro yemo yaba na 500
right
katika bera aturus chibroka I think chibroka mbara bakoni chikawa through chibroka abune problem ere but as leaders as a county that's where we'll come in to make sure nga omulemu wekawa ochako jora shilingi 500 380 shilingi 1150
right
erinde chakati kabere no chukoni gali eri bweyemo still abata bagati kabere nabaro bagoshia that's 500 but the most of the money went to the farmer those are things I'm going to champion yes
right asante sana mheshimiwa nande ndo chinara obwateri boli nero kubolia igali sensemelia ya WhatsApp iboli twabere tukulirora maramange kulende it's directed to you. Hello Getembe, I'm watching live korwa chinse mochiri chamagena nigo akuboliga mbori mheshimiwa. How would you create job opportunities for the youth, considering the fact that we have so many youths in Kisii County wenye wako jobless? What is your plan as Abasaibe County ya Kisii?
Very good. I'm one person who believes in thinking outside the box.
Right.
Youths baita bonaiga na bantu bare very, very good in IT. We need to create IT hubs. Asa bana baita bako genda basoro banyo laptop.
Okay.
Chiga sinchiro and they know our youth, they know it, but how do we bridge that gap? Chiga chiresko abata bagwakanwa by working online. Bande bagwate bundles, bagwate laptops, bagwate computers. Now, number one thing is how do we create those IT hubs?
Okay.
Some of these youths, they are paid per month up to even $1,000.
Okay.
$600. $600, $1,000. I think that's good money.
Right.
And those opportunities are endless. So as a county, we need to, when that time comes, number one thing is to create the IT hubs. Yes.
Right, asante sana mheshimiwa ekero ogendete kusangana into AMO aseyemo kurugaiga Getembe TV 0716111177 abigo 0702666669 na chochi namba chitu chiesimigo chagaiga asi studio ekero togendete kusanga no mheshimiwa Getembe TV Getembe Radio.
Mama nandi kiapanyo yo mwatiniwo minto yo migiro naro nero tibire yo mbiata baka ga kanto ya tabaka ebyo mbe 11 tole.
Right.
Wano oyitokoroka migiro nero gwatani Manyaku ya mwana nkene kia batukolo nkumera.
Asante sana. Sokoro Getembe TV Getembe Radio.
Hello Getembe.
Karibu sana.
Bona network ya bire bia.
Bona nakubwatire kabisa.
Nare kuburi mheshimiwa ya.
Yes.
Otebirenga mwana chika ekabone chainga nabo ya kubwatia. Ninjukia kubwatia kwa rebuna bone round ya ete ponasi. Amura barangitwa kugo direct baka state house bato yibate tukimundaga we pasa.
Yes.
Election speech kagenda ninjukiara nankia kiara kore nachi botanga mbagendo baegwe indu muri miati karenchara.
Right.
Kuburi kwa William Kasamoya.
Right. Getembe TV Getembe Radio, karibu sana. Hey, karibu sana. Karibu sana Kurunyamira. Yes. Network yago yabutukira omungina liye network nako igule baba. Yes, yes. Right, yani you need approximation yalinge. Ene figure ya approximation yalinge exact. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Hata naona bagunda ni kwa na ko barwa naone keni ona iga ya ba ko haki ya saba konye karamo go ita ni kwa nyo maana wanya sa na walimo ko yande kanisa.
Asante. Right. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio, Getembe FM, Getembe TV. Ya utokire Getembe TV, Getembe FM. Karibu sana.
Mbona wewe tatu ya Getembe na MW kubieni mum?
Yes.
Ndio tumeshiniwa ina. Yote ya sana kwa ere lakini yeye mangaru na yeye kagwa atigara tudusi orana naki. Sasa kile jala tano kwa nifiki njiriko lekana.
Right.
Iyo ndo ya kamera bali nivuna betai. Ita gogorigera ria tokate gu etarachi ko soka na kiro to korea 40-30.
Right.
Kuja bana sega soka kwa nya soka na tesi saba. Asa kwa nya soka na tesi 10. Wana mobori ga tabi ndo ya sana ko sei kisi ga ko mori ala maseneta.
Yes, yes.
Injaga chikokorera kwa kuna abande inji abali nibaye ababali gusiga iga.
Alright, asante.
Haya.
Asante sana. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio.
Yeah. Nanje nale kuboli nanje nko akakurunyamira.
Karibu sana.
Ngangoro kwa ngatongara. Nanje kuboli mwezi niwo yo akwanire byamono.
Yes, yes.
Lakini nomate bari wanja barara rwanire cyane here gusi naboyo kiki naboyo nyamira era atira bari nyabange na abagusi. Eri ekire bato kaga tikoru tuto ibole tungango ikere nyantu anyakonyero.
Okay.
Bono mba kurarwa nere kire yurendera ikanoje tikiro yecha oni yeka gomate ekwa marima aso mwaka. Bono bari wanja bararwa nere yecha nerero kyakiro monta omwana agosomera. Turo ara toma ko rai yende yeka we yeka wero kulini bari sindege baira.
Oyo yaigura yo. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio, dake simu yo mwelio, Getembe FM, Getembe TV. Karibu sana. Wairebuya.
Njeno ndabele kubatabia muno mweshimiwe imoje fundi kunyaga cyangwa.
Yes.
Umeta mwana bode mwabera bakungusana gweterese cyaye mune ya niwe myake mengesa. Tokanya mongwa no denaro sito ga na saiganta na wote ga chakrwanwe cha biasana kurtombari na kurtombe factory ga jaga swasia sa no kredina na komo igupi.
Okay.
Bane cha muri miera na umiete kia ba.
Right.
Bane ka umiete njira kameyo. Ochi komori re gara montago cha tako be ka chiste sencha tia soa esa obeka gatambe obeka chiste sencha ai wekane.
Right.
Akere wekane de lakini tariko kara so ira no kero monto manyirengo monto na diko to tete ya.
Okay.
Inta tete bono go guru ken so bere to mbari ese mo ga mbu tu masaba ngo kwanele ku. Monto ya me aga ranga nero re motora konye chai
Right.
Ago kwa tata bi ko manyan. Lakini bana kero mo miete. Ika ga kenga kolme kera sote serikali magakira ki.
Right, asante sana ebyo nebirengereri byaye Mheshimiwa andake nyuma eke gusekero tukura buturira kisimigabo nande tumaguchikwira naso umwanchumo tegereri egikagetari egetambe Mheshimiwa abantu bange nigo bagukwandira iguru y'ubulimi andake ayabuna omo ose aspiring senator ye county ya Kisii kwanyoreri bageri wasoira sekerogo andake abalimi abaigamba gendete gwetera challenges chinyinge abalimi becha abalimi bekahawa mostly nabona igure bakuralamika inchereki orachi kwene kinga abalimi abaiga bali kuchikogendera kuralamika muna usembali kuchikogendera kumigeka muno konyora bale ngeri eri isaine nande inchereki orachi ku improve agriculture sector imeje county ya Kisii
ndia mono na orirenga gento gekunete na endo usio ito na magane chae
yes
awa say in short agriculture na kinare ukwaneranga there are many ways turare chibesa umwana inchi atware besa mubuku anya arego somi umwana monyene naona achakera kinanyoranga kya babigire sana asenseme yo and of which need very much aware muntu tayo onairu muno muri mbwecha mono na inde koro kurigereria okonyoranga Central Kenya chibesa bakwegwa bonus is much higher than the chitokwegwa Kisii gaiga
okay
ainara magana keretu asoireme tugwente kumanya na inde kubwatinga abantu baguchibesa uniform secondly as a problem na inde kobera I'll come back to corruption and brokers. In Chibunomo Senator or Kisii, our problem with Kisii and Nyamira, they are the same. We still have the same problems.
Okay.
I'll be there to champion. Connection omulebwe chaye. Oerwe chibe sabwento konyora. Through our Kenya Tea Development Authority.
Right.
Ega siya serikali teri korose faida. Ega siya serikali no make sure nga mwananchi onyorire services ichiri abo ento konyora. Now, as a senator, is to make sure nga farmers baitukuru Kisii bairu chibesa chibwente koba buna bali bande bakonyora from Central Kenya. They get a lot of money. Those are things that I need to champion. Na ende nate bagaiga, we need to encourage our farmers. Tobasomie. There are other also alternatives like purple tea, which chigo fechi besa chinge wetani chai ya kawaida. Na ende nate banga, we need to give seedlings, either tea or say coffee to our farmers. Ekerewa no bacha kwa kado chibesa chingia. I know they'll go out of their way to start doing that farming. Kuruabono umuntu kabegete bosene even 50 by 100 abegete kawaya bosabegete chaya. That's enough yo somi mwana.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, asante sana mheshimiwa umanchumo tegereri nindeno kwegenanga kwegule narote banga abali mibande nigo bakoenda State House bakunelirwa gose baigwe basha then bakwirana kiro muntu ogendera gukora ibintu byaye mwakubolinga ayeno chiko batene ni koenda State House yegere bachi konyora chibashechi eliko ene kinga bali batagenda State House na bali bunkonyora bali afesha
kana ate bangobole chikura road based.
Yes.
Tiamine tinga I'm aware of everything that happens.
Okay.
Lakini onya bali mbara bakogenda instead of championing for the cause of other farmers. Baegwe basha babeka bubuko and nothing changes. Lakini abateringa abalemi bacholire n'abalemi bamwe chae. Lakini moko chora barayibu nabu abali bakogenda bachikwegwe basha. Igibone problem yego chaka kuruntu abanyena abalemi. Etoko chora barayaba ababe. Eto bado chora barayaba ya to bade karabagenda State House kwada waro kwana egete bwa batuma. As a leader egasiago no way kia magana mwananchi whoever you are leading we kia malalamika to the right places.
Right.
So I think our farmers magana education baba aware ngakena to elect such kind of leaders. At the same time, as a political elected leaders, they should be aware of such issues.
Right.
Those are the things I said which go champion ekerena soere into the Senate. Erindu mwananchi umuremi anyore besa mubuko anyare gosomi umwana oye anyare kwa nonya gitari kurwaligwa. So it's any kanga problem from starting from the farmers themselves to our elected leaders.
Right.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa Ekere.
Naende bona bakwa dabai kuchibasha.
Okay.
Ngama leta. Ngama leta bora mnango bakoli. Thank you.
Tae kubasha ocha komokolia. Alright. Mheshimiwa Ekere tukwira na job creation. Nana kulokunga Don Malakai akuboliga. Mheshimiwa Don, ni watu wangapi umetafutia kazi ili kuonyesha uko na huo moyo wa kutafutia watu nafasi za kazi? Watu mbarenga kwa ligeri mbere musofa abukwa bekire somewhere at least they are earning a living.
Very good question. Munanate abanga, when you're electing leaders, you have to know what so far have they done.
Right.
Myself, I ran I didn't want to go there. I ran a betting company.
Right.
Of whereby directly I've created over 100 jobs, and indirectly I've created over 500 jobs. Right. Directly and indirectly. Inga kishabada ya benefitiri. Some of these players and very soon to do so I have a track record in terms of empowering the young generation.
Right. Asante sana Senator Oyakurukunga Otachi agotebanga anything done once to komwa mambi mapema. Right. Asante sana Zakari Makori agoteba watching live and listening kuruchinsa mchirichi abo basi agotebanga Don tukombele pamoja. Asante sana Rasugumu raraha agotebanga Senator mtarajiwa mbele iko sawa. Asante na bagendete gutuma chujumbe gali sensemo ya Facebook, YouTube na boiga sensemo ya WhatsApp kulendenga asengenchunga Mheshimiwa Nigondo chinga ebiro nigo bigendete komunyokia kigima nigo chinsa chigendete gutama kigima kulende taketokwanire briefly igoro ya women empowerment ndubwata basubati tugatora border riders njira kyura chikoba empower na barabo kwana kinga at least they are getting something bagosora nyumba.
If I come to the area of border.
Yes.
Akonyoranga umurwanda bwone oburimo obura border. Abo roughly ndebona ko beka estimate ga ke estimate nabe kana ende mo jagota banga yepigi ko ni kuchiba singa nayo. Assuming a piggy is worth about 120,000 cash. Okay, and a simogo or loan at the end of the day, which you work on about 250. Konidio bolimo. If there be a sarawakora, king and nature is a chobolimo, kenke on a daily basis.
Right.
But I know of organizations. I know of organizations that provide chipigi border at cost price. Kwanya waka na kenke without interest. I know those organizations are friends all over. We need to show our youth such organization.
Right. And
I know of that organization that is already in existence in both of our counties of Kisii and Nyamira.
Right.
Thus it comes to border nga mondonyora border era affordable. Yani nga nabogwaka ne loan yeyo naende border erengima naende bono chakorose faida yago naende ochogore yakabire bosogore yagatatu igo.
Right.
When it comes to the subject of women empowerment, that's a very a topic that has always been there. As a government or as a constitution, that's how we brought a women rep.
Right.
Yani wana maswali women rep nuko nyokolenga kinga kiabangina basabati nga kibao konyaka. On a county level, a women rep also belongs to the county level, senator belongs to the county level, governor belongs to the county level. I come back again by saying that those three, they need to work together.
Right.
There are issues I can have from my people as a senator. There are issues the governor can have. There are issues the women rep can have. But when we work together and bring our ideas together, we can find a way of empowering Abasabati Baito as a county ya Kisii.
Right, asante sana mheshimiwa. Don Bosco atafute MP na Jubilee awachane na senatorial seat. Hiyo ni sure bet ya Senator Richard Onyonga. Can you reconsider that?
Very good question. Oyungo lengie nare maega kama I think kendrete Richard Onyonga has declared kubuli ari bu governor. Tari kubuli bu MP. I don't know tebanga the second person who came second 2022 Mingo Magara Nereng, I think they're having a formation. Amachogu is not running for senatorial. Now, unless Onyonka Tebirenga, Teyobo governor, lakini as for now, Onyonka is running for governor, not senate.
Right.
Vacant, and at the moment, what arrangement, I think Governor Paul Simba comes from Bobasi, Akaigo governor, Richard comes from Bogetutu, Akaigo senator, Dawanya comes from Bochari, Akaigo women rep. There is that arrangement, make sure kwamba clan balancing imefanyika.
Right.
Now, Omogetutu kwenye ubuate uchiri bu governor, ya tigaire bosa. Ono, igonga enda kubuli bu MP, ntigo bu senator, bule bosa ego at the moment, na eno Omogetutu kebuate.
Right.
Na enda nata banga under Jubilee.
Right.
Omaete evyama na vinge yangu kubeka kwa ende ya nyangi. Na bora ata ene suti kubeka, ene t-shirt kubeka, lero yanga gete kubeka. So it's a political vehicle, but you must believe in that political vehicle. I was among the founding members of UDA. We were the people who started the bottom-up economic model in Naivasha. I'm among the founding members of ODM. We are the people who came with the manifesto of ODM. Jubilee was started by, I think, Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. So I don't know, Kia Ekwende manifesto arengi. That's why I came up with the broad base. Those two parties, I was the founding member.
Right. Mheshimiwa Ekerondi Chenga nigo ebiro bya tumnyokiri maybe asege kege kesana ndaito kwana no muntu be county ya Kisii omusabe kura yago nabo igo mwe your trust egera chigo ko ali bagerio na kuba museneta be county ya Kisii when that time comes.
Nchibuna Don Bosco ohagagi chana kurwa tutu chache enko basaba abantu baito ba Kisii County ekura yino next year August 10 no mo senator ino na enko batebiga I will work, I will not sleep to make sure that we have change in Kisii County. Believe in me, I have a track record. Unanaba eresa what I've done. There are many things that I've done. But given the powers as a senator, I'll be able to do more than I can do when I'm outside here. It's something that people of Kisii County will not regret. And we're also looking for the future. We are not doing these things just for the sake of doing it. There are some of the things we do just to leave a legacy behind. Thank you.
Right.
Sana.
Asante sana mheshimiwa, thank you so very much. Asengencho kwanyora chinga kinagocha na gusanga na Getembe TV na Getembe Radio olende na nde ntukurangerie ekero chinga kichiratoke ogendere gusanga mangi na kwerera amangi iguru ya marorago iwi county ya Kisii. Nayo mwanchu murigerere na bwo mwanchu motigereri bia mona sengencho kwabere na intwe na bali bonsi ntabwata kisimi cheno ngusabo kwabera sengencho yebiro kolende gendera kurigerere Getembe TV na bwo gendera gutegerera Getembe FM ekero twarengenere Wilfred Matundura oyore kwenekia kurugalia sensemo ya kabiri ye studio nabigo Josephat Sungura kwenekinga chikamera mbuyachire abwo oyore kwenekia yugine chibicha bya gwikire kurwa sensemo ya kabiri ye studio DJ Creeper naye umwanchu murigereria gendera gukwegokeria emirobelio kurugaiga Getembe TV na incheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto nayo mheshimiwa asante sana.
Biamono sana Ruth, biamono mwanchu mutegereri.
Right.
Asante sana.